मैं डॉक्टर अरविंद आनंद, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, मारवाड़ी कॉलेज, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स। आज का मेरा सब्जेक्ट है, आज का मेरा विषय है एमकॉम सेमेस्टर 4 के HRM, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, मानव संसाधन प्रबंध। सिंपल थॉट है, मानव संसाधन प्रबंध अर्थात किसी भी संगठन का निर्माण उसके व्यक्तियों से होता है। जो वह व्यक्ति उस संगठन में अपनी सहायता करते हैं, क्योंकि व्यक्तियों के बिना कोई भी संगठन का अस्तित्व नहीं हो पाता है। मानव संसाधन के अंतर्गत संसाधनों की प्राप्ति, विकास का नियोजन, संगठन, निर्देशन एवं नियंत्रण से है। अर्थात ह्यूमन एक्टिव रिसोर्सेज मीन्स मानव सक्रिय संसाधन। आपके पास जमीन, मनी, मशीन और मटेरियल मीन्स HRM is concerned with human beings in an organizations. The management of men is a very important and changes job because of the dynamic nature of the people. In a general way, human resources are the people at work at national level of organizational level. Human resources means knowledge, आपके पास ज्ञान होनी चाहिए, स्किल, आपके पास कौशलता होनी चाहिए, कौशल होनी चाहिए, क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी, टैलेंट and attitude on an organizational work, force as well as the value and belief of the individual involved. The concept of HRM took place during the 1980, which was response by the economists Pascal and Ethos and Peters Waterman 1982 and issue the company symbol. Then gradually gave informations about HRM is cycle in the American Society for Training and Development 1983. This some concept, for example, land, labor, capital, organizations and power. Labor on important means of an personal and different these productions, such and such in organization behavior. And then different scholars have defined HRM is following. Number 1, according to Filippo, HRM the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the development, compensation, integrations, maintenance and reproduction of HRM. And then second, according to Dale User, the management of HR resources is viewed as a system in which participate seek to attain both individual and group goals. And third, according to Jusius, HR may be defined as that field of management which has to be with planning, organizing, controlling the function of maintaining and utilizations. And then Peter of Drucker, according to Peter of Drucker, the management of the work arrangement of the HRM staff is only. इन सारी परिभाषाओं के बातों से स्पष्ट होता है, द above definition is clear informations. The international business is HR activity in the general terms of HRM concerned with the dimension in management. HRM is all about people at work, then assign job, produce result and motivate, then towards improvements in productivity. Scope of HRM. The scope of HRM is all activity starting from manpower, planning, and maintenance and control of HRM in the organizations. The scope of HRM are given below. Number 1, HRM. The planning is to ensure that the organization has the right types of person at the right time at the right place. And then second, design of the organization and job. And third, selection of the staffing. Fourth, training and development. 5, compensation and benefit. 6, employee assistance. 7, labor relationship. 8, personal research and information system. And 9, industrial aspect. Or 10, welfare aspects. And then it is a clear from the above informations, human resource management is the systematic planning and control network of fundamental organizational process. My friends, it involving in all organization members. This process include human resource planning, job and work design, job analysis, staffing, training and development, performance appraisal and review, compensation and rewards, employee protections and responsibility, repetitions and organization improvement. तो अगले टॉपिक हम फिर चर्चा करेंगे अगले वीडियो पर में। आप इसको पढ़िएगा और हर एक नोट्स को आप लिखिएगा।